Hi, I'm David H. I manage my illness, diabetes with my EKG. The information I share is for informational purposes only and is not intended as health or medical advice. Please consult your physician regarding questions you may have about your health objectives. Okay, I know it's been a while since you've seen me talking to the camera here, but life has been getting in the way. I got a lot of changes that has happened since the last time I put out a video. Over the next few, videos I put out, I would dive into some of the changes. But before I get started with today's little talk or message here, hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. That will really help a brother out with this channel. That will help things grow. And hey, more than anything, I need that now more than I used to. No, like I said, a lot of changes been going on. One of the changes, and I did mention last time on one of my last videos, you see me out there. You know, I was struggling to get things back under control where I was. Anyway, I did go back on meds. I've been on meds now probably about, I would guess maybe say 8 months or so. And to be quite frank, I was controlling it better without meds. Basically, you know, my doctor's saying I'm at the sweet spot, the spot where they like for diabetics to be. Where I like to be, not be in the sweet spot where diabetics should be. I want to be in the spot where I'm not even classified as a diabetic. But anyway, that's what I'm working on, and hopefully here things are looking better, and hopefully by the end of the year or so, I will get back off of these meds again, what have you. But yeah, if you're new to my channel, the way I control my diabetes is with an EKG. That's eat healthy, know your numbers, and get off the couch. I don't have one inspirational quote to wrap up this segment, but what I do have is something from Curtis Mayfield, a song lyric from Curtis Mayfield. Keep on pushing, and that's what I'm doing. I'm keeping on pushing. All right, I want to go to the next step, and I guess my next step, really, I'm doing things in real time. Things happen out of order. You know, normally I take my glucose check in the morning, which you did see, and you saw where I am. Nothing spectacular, but it's better than where it used to be. And then I'll do this part, and then I'll get off the couch, and then I'll do eat healthy. Anyway, my eat healthy happened this morning after I checked my numbers. But since I always end with the eat healthy, I'm still going to put that at the end of this video. So things happen in real time, kind of out of sequence what I normally do here. But anyway, my next step is getting off the couch. And basically what I'm doing, you guys saw my Camp Chef grill on some videos back. The thermostat in it, they have a name for it, but it's a little probe. That thing has gone bad. Well, I think that's the reason I've been burning up a lot of meat. Might be a user problem, right? But anyway, I'm going to replace the thermostat in that. All right, on to the next stop. There's the thermometer, thermometer probe that I'm trying to replace. All right, I'm taking off the guide rails there for the grill. Some people say you don't need to take it off, but I found I needed to take it off. Now what I'm going to do, I've already gone to the bottom of the grill. I've tied a piece of string or thread to the bottom of that. So when I pull it out, it'll just come out, and I thread the new one back and pull it through, right? Because it's supposed to be a little difficult to pull it back through, and because there's the whole connection that has to go through. All right, I got it through, and you saw that I cut the thread I had onto the old one. Now I'm threading the new one through, and look at it. Oh no! Let's rewind this thing so you can see what happened. my thread goes back through the hole. Yep. Okay, now an easy job just got harder because now we have to fish the new wire through a small opening around the hopper, then back up to the control board to plug back in. But anyway, I had to call my son to help me out. Okay, we got it done. That's the new Thermometer Pro. Anyway, it wasn't as easy as some of the other YouTubers made it seem. Alright, I got it done. I'm gonna fire it up here in a minute. Hey, there's a couple of things. I watched several videos and I'll tag a couple that I watch. You see that I had some issues basically with the I guess the leads coming from the thermometer threading back into the hopper over here to the control panel. Yeah, I know I'm a weekend warrior. I don't know, I wouldn't even call myself a weekend warrior. I'm just a person that do some stuff on the weekend. I'm not good at any of it. Yeah, I just want to save $1, really. That's what it all comes down to. But all in all, if it works here, I did it. Took much longer than I thought it was. Took much longer than I thought it was going to take. You saw I had to call in reinforcement. I had to call my son in to help. So I saved $1 or $2. Hopefully it all works, and we'll give it a shot. Oh, like I said earlier, this is it for today in real time. Even though what's up next is going to be my Eat Healthy, which we did it this morning. But what I'm really getting ready to do, I'm going to test this out to make sure it works, and then I'm going to sit down and have a refreshing libation. All right, on to the next step. Okay, I'm getting ready to fix something to eat. I know it's been a while since you've seen me behind the counter, but hey, I'm back and I'm doing something I've been wanting to do for quite a while now, but I just never had the opportunity, just never really could find the ingredients, or never just had the time to just set up for it. But anyway, it's something I've been wanting to do, mainly because it's something my wife likes. Basically, it's fried green tomatoes. And anytime we go out now, my wife and I go out, if there's fried green tomatoes on the menu, there's a 99% chance she's going to order them. So since I've kind of started this healthy journey, you know, eat healthy, know your numbers, and get off the couch. You know, part of Eat Healthy is me cooking more. I've been wanting to try these fried green tomatoes. I've been wanting to try to fry some fried green tomatoes. Hey, I tried some fried pickles one time, but the coating came off. But anyway, I found this recipe. Of course, if you remember, I hate cooking, and I don't know how to cook. I don't pretend I know how to cook, but I try to follow a recipe. And I did find this recipe. It was from a Facebook user called Miranda, Stay Classy. So I will put her tag in the description, well, not tag, her link in the description, so you can go see what she did, and you can see the original recipe I'm following. Hey, you can even see if I came close. Most of the time I don't. But anyway, I'm going to give it a shot. Here I go. Okay, I finished. Actually, they look pretty good. I don't know if you can see them. I put them on the plate. They look pretty good. Hey, let's see what they do, how they taste. because it tastes real good. Man, I may start ordering fried green tomatoes every time we go out. Hey, 1 second, I see something on the stove smoking. I'm back. I didn't want to start. I didn't want to put the house on fire. All right, let me get the green tomato connoisseur. Wife, you want to try one on the camera? Actually, we have this Remali sauce, Remali, whatever the name is. I'm gonna try that on there too. All right.
I get to just
Yeah, you just pick whatever one you want.
pick one and try it.
Good.
Very good.
All right.
Mmm.
All right.
Seasoned well.
Okay.
Coating is perfect.
All right. The connoisseur says good.
Perfectly done.
All right. For those of you that know, this is not a low carb deal because you got the fried coating on there. I guess to make it low carb, you can use almond flour and put seasoning in that. But since this is my first time trying it, I didn't want to try to make it low carb. I want to see what it's supposed to taste like. So next time I'll try to make it low carb. But really, it's not that bad. It's just seasoning on the tomatoes. All right, she says good, so thumbs up. Okay, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.